Okay, go. Log 5 25 over 16 1 to the power of 2 plus log 5 100. Log 5 2 4 plus log 5 100. Okay, log 5 is 5 over 4 100. 25 cancel 4 and cancel 100. And then log 5 125 equal log 5 is 5 to the power of 3, and the solution is x equal 3. Move on to number 2. 4x minus 6 over 6 equal 4 1 over 2, and 2x minus 12 over 12 and 1 over 2 times 2 times 2x minus 12 and times 12 to 1, and 2x minus 12 equals 6, and 2x over 2 minus equal 18 over 2, and the solution is x equal 9.
Okay, so number 3, this equation. First thing we put this one because it cannot solve anymore. Okay, so move to the other side. So look the other side, and the first thing is the base is not the same, right? So we can change to the little. So the first thing is 64, right? So we change to 4 to the power of 3, and then below is 27 is 3 to the power of 3. Okay, and then we switch them because this one is look almost like the same base, so we move to 3 to the power of 3, and then move 4 to the power of 3 to below. So when you move it, it become a 3 to the power of negative 3, and then 4 to the power negative 3 also. Let me do this one. Okay, and then move both of them multiple to the x minus 4, and it became 3 over 4, and multiple them, it became negative 3x plus 12, and the base is the same now, so we can solve it like this and put them here. Okay, and then solve it. Move minus 3x to a positive, like this, and then move +1 to minus, and then solve it. 12 minus 1 equal 11, and 5x plus 3x equal 8x, and then move 8 to divide it, move to below them like this, and this is the answer. Okay, so number 4, the first thing is the base y is the same, right? So you can write it like this: log 3x plus log 3 2 equal to change this one, change to 5 to the power of 4, and then logs, when log plus log is like multiple, so we put log 3 x and times 2 equal 5 to the power of 4, and then move the power of 4 3, and then move 2x the other side, and so like this one, like this 3 to the power of 4, right? And then 2x. Now this the easy now, so you can solve it. 3 to the power of 4 is 81, and then move to below, and we have answer is 81/2.
5, we do 4 raised to the power of negative 4x times 4x minus 4x minus negative 6 less than or equal to 4 raised to the power of 6x. Combine the exponents on the left side. Since the base are the same, add the exponents. Negative 4x negative 4x minus 6 more less or equal to 6x. Then negative 8x minus 6 less than or equals 6x. The next step is to put the number 6 to get rid of number 6. Put 6 down, minus 6x plus 6, then minus 6x plus 6 on the bottom. After that, turn to negative 14x more or less than 6. To get rid of negative 14, you put negative 14 on the bottom, both left and right. You got your answer. X less than less than or equals to negative 3. So let's see, 3/7.
Okay, so it's number 6, right? So this equation, first thing, we move negative 2, multiply and there is 2 to the power of negative 2, and this, and then put 3 also, move this, and then 2 to the power 3 equal x, and then this one is, the power is the negative, so we move down like this, and then to power of 3 with the same version x, and then change 2 to the power of 3 is 8, and 2 to the power of 2 is 4, and then cut it 4, 1, and 4, and 4 times 2 is 8, right? So we cut it in, become in 2, and the answer is 2.
Okay. Number 7. Log base. Wait, wrong. Sorry. Log base 3 of open. Log base of 3 of open. Parenthesis x square over 2, 2x negative 9 equals 2. Then 3 raised to the power of 2 equals x squared over 2 minus x. Next step is x squared equals 18, x minus 81. Then move both of these with the x, turn it to x to the power of 2 and minus 18x positive 81. Then then equals 0, and then you take them each apart to x minus 9 and x minus 9 equals 0. You got your answer, x equal 9.
Will be explaining number 8. So the question is 25x minus 6 times 5x equal negative 5. So I will let 5 to the power of the x equals y. So I will change the 25x into 5 to the power of 2x minus 6y plus 5 equals 0. And then we will factor out the number 5. So it's negative 5 and negative 1. So we'll rewrite the equation as y minus 5 times y minus 1. And then we will change the y into 5x. So 5x equals 5 and 5x equals 1. And what does 5 times what? And we got 5. So it's 5 times 1 equals 5. So the x will be 1. And the rule for the 5x equals 1, the rule is any numbers that times to the power of 0 will be equal 1, so the x is equal 0. Okay, so for the number 9, the question is 3 to the power of 2x plus 1 minus 28 times 3x plus 9 equals 0. So I will let 3x equals c, and then I will change the form into 3c to the power of 2 minus 28c plus 9 equals 0. And we will factor out the 9, so it's negative 1 and negative 9. Then we will write as 3c minus 1 times c minus 9 equals 0. 3c minus 1 equals 0, and we will move negative 1 to the other side, so it will be 3c equal 1, and when we divided by 3 to cut the 3 off and only c left equals 1 over 3. And then we do the same with the c minus 9, so c will be 9. And then we will replace the c with 3x equals 1 over 3, and 3x equals 9. So 3x equals 1 over 3. If we want to change it into fraction, the index has to be negative 1. So our x is negative 1, and 3x equals 9. It means a number that times its other equals 9. So it's 3 times 3, so the x will be equal 2. But the true answer is x equal 2 because x equal negative 1 has no solution. We move to the number 10. The question is log 7 2 plus log 49x equal log 1 over 7 square root of 3. And we will make it like this. Log 7 2 plus log 7 to the power of 2 times x equals log 7 negative 1 and times 3 1/2. Log 7 2 plus 1 over 2 log 7 x equals negative 1/2 log 7 times 3. It will be 2 log 7 times 2 plus log 7x equals negative log 7 times 3. Log 7x equals negative log 7 3 minus 2 log 7 2. Then move to log 7 x equals log 7 3 minus 2 log 7 times 2. It will be log 7x equals log 7 times 2 to the power of negative 2. Log 7x equals log 7 2 to the power of negative 2 over 3. Okay, so it will be log 7 times x equals log 7 times 1 over 3 times 4, and then it will be log 7x equals log 7 1 over 12. Now the x is equals to 1 over 12. And that is the solution for the question 10.